So hi, in this video I'm going to discuss a problem of lead code. It is a daily question of the lead code. Let's read out the problem statement. So a score of a string. We have given a string S and we need to find the score of a string. And what is the score is defined as? Basically it is nothing but the sum of absolute difference between the SK value of adjacent characters. Means we have given a string S, we need to calculate its score, and the score would be what? Simple, it would be a absolute difference between the SK value of their adjacent characters. So this is what basically asked in the question. So as you can see here, we have given a string hello, and we were calculating the difference between the adjacent SK. First we are calculating the difference between the H and E, then I'll calculate the difference between EL, then LL, and then LO, and then I'll sum up and return the third answer basically. So to make it more clear, let's move on to the board. So look, here suppose we have given a string ABCD. First of all, to solve this, you must have a knowledge of SKs. What are SK values? So you must have studied about it. The SK value of small letters are between from 97 to 122, and the SK value of for capital letters are between from 65 to 90. Okay, so if we have given a capital letter, then its value would be from 65 to 90, and for small 97 to 122. Or you can refer this table for the SK value of other symbols as well. Here you will find the all the SK values. Okay. So for this question, we only required these two knowledges only. Okay. Four small letters from 97 to 122, and four capital letters 65 to 90. That's it. Suppose we have given a string ABCD. Okay. Now the difference between their SK values would be what? We know that the SK value of capital is what? 65. Okay. SK value of B what? 66. SK value of capital C is 67, and SK value of capital D is 68. Simply find the absolute difference between them and sum of them, right? So difference between them is what? 1. Similarly, difference between them is what? 1. Similarly, difference between them is what? Simply 1. Now simply add up all them. It will comes up to be 3. This is what the answer of the question. Okay. So this is what we have to read. Now how we can do that? Let's move on to the code. So uh, first of all, what I will do is I will run a loop from 0 to s dot length minus 1, means from the n minus 1th element, to avoid the next element condition, because if I take it to s dot length, if I don't do the minus 1, then it will go beyond the string level, right? It will go overflow, you can say. So that's why I'm taking it minus 1, right? And then I am adding here all the values, basically absolute difference between what? S of I and S of I plus 1's sk values. As you can say, I have written int before the s of I. It is doing what? It is converting the character value of s of I into the integer value, or you can say corresponding sk values. So it is simply doing the difference, and then I am simply adding the difference into the answer, and then at the end I am returning the answer. So this is what the problem all around. I hope it is clear to you. So okay.